Hi, this is Jose Fernandez from Joe's Kitchen Recipes, and today I have done Goan chicken Xacuti, one of Goa's best dishes made of fresh blended spices and fresh coconut. In a pan, take 6 cloves, 1/4 piece of nutmeg, 1 star anise, 1 piece of black cardamom, 1 piece of cinnamon, 1 piece of mace, Xacuti, around 15 peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 bay leaf. Dry roast this all till you get a nice and aromatic flavor out of it on slow fire. Our dry spices are roasted well for around 2 minutes. Transfer it in a bowl and keep aside to cool. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Take 8 Kashmiri chilies and dry roast them till they become crispy. Be careful not to burn them. Our chilies are roasted. Keep them in a plate and let it cool for some time. In the same pan, add 6 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, stir well till they change their color. To this add 1 medium-sized onion cut into slices. Mix well till the onion changes color and becomes soft. Keep the flame medium. To this add 1 cup of coconut. I have used desiccated coconut here. You can use the fresh coconut, 1 cup. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything well till the coconut changes its color. Make sure that not to burn the coconut. Let it come to a slight golden color. Keep this aside for some time to cool. In a mixture jar, add the roasted coconut which was roasted before. Add the roasted spices which are roasted before. Add the chilies which are roasted before. Add little water and grind to a fine paste. The masala paste should look like this. To make the chicken Xacuti, I have taken 1 kg chicken with bones. To this add salt as per your taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well. And keep aside for half an hour to get marinate. In a cooking pot, add 3 tablespoons of oil. To this add 3 medium-sized onion chopped. Fry till the onions become soft and golden in color. To this add the marinated chicken. Mix everything well. Close the lid and let it cook for another 3 minutes on slow fire. It's been 3 minutes. Add the masala which was previously made. Mix everything well. Add some water to the mixer grinder and add it to the curry. Mix everything well. Add 1 cup of water. Mix everything well. Check the salt at this moment. Close the lid and cook for another 5 minutes. It has been 4 minutes. At this point I am adding 1 Maggi cube, some tamarind water soaked in water for 5 minutes, a handful of coriander chopped. Give it a mix. Close the lid and cook it for another 3 minutes. And there it is, our iconic, rich and aromatic Goan Xacuti curry, deeply influenced by Portuguese cuisine, is ready to serve.